Welcome back to the channel. We are going to go ahead and install our supercharger on the Silverado. We just got it back from rebuild. It went to Jokerz Performance. Brett did an awesome job on this thing, did a total once over on it, completely rebuilt it, and we're ready to throw it back on the truck. So let's get started. It's on. We're back in business again. We got our supercharger installed, got everything put on and ready to go. The only thing I wasn't able to do is wire up the intercooler pump. So we'll have to do that with some jumper cables and run it directly to the battery. It's all right, it'll work just for the time being so we can start the truck. First thing I had to do, I have to throw a tune in and to be able to put the parameters in for the LT4 map sensor, because I had to take that out when we had the supercharger problem. So let's do that real quick and then we'll start her up. Check out this just nice. Yeah, this is a heck of a setup right here. We'll hook these to the battery directly. Not the only way I can do it right now. Okay. So see what we'll do, we'll hook up our ground and then you should hear the pump start running. I'm going to let it warm up for a minute, and then I'm going to kind of see what it does after it warms up, see if the idle drops. We still have to tune it, so let's go ahead and just sit here, we'll wait a second and see what happens. Keep the idle a little low. All right, so we got the truck started. It sounds good for what it is. I mean, you know, it's not tuned or anything, so it's gonna idle real low and sound real bad, but when you bring the RPMs up, it doesn't sound bad at all. So I think we just need to tune the idle, and then we can go take it for a drive and tune everything else. No more screaming sounds like what we were having before. That's a big plus, so good there. I wanna thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed so far. If you want to check out some of the other videos on the LT4 Supercharger install on the Silverado, you can go check them out right here. Thank y'all. Have a great day.